Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Epomaker TH80 Pro mechanical keyboard. Known for its blend of style and functionality, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's kick things off with the design and build quality of the Epomaker TH80 Pro. This keyboard boasts a retro-inspired look with a sturdy construction. The white plastic base gives it a clean aesthetic, complemented by customizable RGB backlighting that adds a touch of personalization to your setup. Now, onto the key features. One of the standout features of the TH80 Pro is its hot swappable switches. This means you can easily swap out switches without soldering, allowing for extensive customization tailored to your typing or gaming preferences. The keyboard also features a red rotary control knob, adding both functionality and a unique visual element to its design. It supports Bluetooth connectivity for wireless operation, though there are some user reports of it being slow to reconnect after waking from sleep mode. Moving on to user experience, the TH80 Pro delivers a satisfying typing experience thanks to its quality build and various switch options available. However, one notable downside is the lack of secondary functions printed on the keycaps, which may require keeping the manual handy until you're familiar with all the shortcuts. In terms of battery life, the TH80 Pro impresses with its 4000 mAh battery, providing extended usage before needing a recharge. Despite this, some users have noted that Bluetooth connectivity can be finicky, particularly with reconnection delays. Epomaker provides companion software that allows for extensive customization of RGB lighting effects and macros. This adds a layer of personalization that enthusiasts will appreciate, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Wrapping up, the Epomaker TH80 Pro stands out as a robust mechanical keyboard that offers great value for its price point. With its hot swappable switches, solid build quality, and customizable features, it caters well to both gamers and typists looking for a reliable yet stylish addition to their setup. That's it for today's review on the Epomaker TH80 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique. Until then, stay tuned, stay touched up, and keep exploring the world of innovative gadgets with us. Take care, and see you soon.